Welcome to your guide for heavy-duty roadside assistance in agriculture. Learn how professional Jump Start services keep your heavy equipment running smoothly, ensuring your farm stays productive. Picture this. You're in the middle of a busy season and your essential machine won't start. A dead battery disrupts your operation, delaying tasks and impacting productivity. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/car helpout and get a relief under house burden. From tractors to loaders, agricultural equipment relies on powerful batteries. These systems power ignition and advanced features like GPS and hydraulics. Heavy equipment batteries face challenges, including prolonged downtime. Off-season storage drains batteries. Frequent starts and stops. Intensive tasks drain batteries. Harsh conditions, dust, vibration, and extreme temperatures. Electrical overload. Multiple systems increase strain. Jump-starting agricultural machinery isn't as simple as jump-starting a car. These machines need high-capacity tools and technical knowledge. Safety precautions are crucial. On-site assistance is often necessary. This is where professional Jump Start services come in. Specialized equipment for heavy-duty applications, experienced technicians for complex machinery, mobile assistance at your location, 24/7 availability, and comprehensive diagnostics. Opting for professional services ensures minimized downtime, get back to work quickly, safety and reliability. Protect your equipment. Convenience. On-site service saves time. Preventative insights. Avoid future problems. Dead battery? Call professional Jump Start services for help. Battery problems don't have to slow you down. Professional Jump Start services get you back to work quickly. Save our number for expert help.